if you're not using AI to write content, then you're probably wasting time and money. So here are some of the tools that are game changing that you should consider using. We have Writesonic, this one that you can see right here. We have Copy.ai and Rytr, or Rytr.me if you like. So these are basically different tools that do the same job. They turn a prompt into high quality written content. So let's start with Writesonic. This is what it looks like once you've signed in. You of course create your account, and you'll be required to name your work. I named mine sample work, and they need a website, so I used my LinkedIn URL to get to this page. They have different templates to choose from for someone that is beginning like me. I've not created anything here, so we're going to create this together. So this is the recommended one. There's a 10 steps article, then there's this one for 5 minutes, then this one is instant, it's 1 minute. So you just click to start and see what comes out of it. The 10-step guide is: you enter a topic, you select article type, you select references, primary keyword, title, secondary keywords, configurations, headings, additional enhancements, then you generate article. Let's do politics in Kenya. Target audience is Kenya. Of course, the language is English. While it's still populating, this one is popular because it's very easy to use, and it has, like I told you, the pre-built templates, like the one that we've chosen from. It's also versatile, and you can do blogs and sales, and you can do adverts. And it has Chatsonic right here. Chatsonic is an AI agent, so it has generated. Select the article type. Let's do news article. News article. AI web research method is the one that we've selected. You also have AI that can pick for you right here. So among the references, you can add your own. You can enter a URL, or you can take the top ranking article. You can pick one from the top ranking articles that have been recommended by AI. So let's just go with the first one. Let's go with the first one and the maybe fifth one. Keywords, the primary keywords. You can add your own, you can go with recommended keywords. It's very easy to use. Let's just go with recommended keywords. Suggested titles: breaking, Kenya politics today faces major power shift. Kenya youth movement reshapes political landscape. Let's go with this one, the youth movement that reshapes political landscape. Continue. And then select secondary keywords. Again, we go with the recommended keywords: politics in Kenya today, current affairs in Kenya, political situation. Continue. I selected 3. Then configurations, maybe later. We will just go with the recommended one. The article structure and length, we will go with this one, the recommended one. Then select headings. Choose an outline that best describes the structure and flow you envision for your article. So they have options. Okay. There's outline 1, then outline 2, and you have an option of writing your own. So we will go with outline 1. Then additional enhancements. You can enhance your article. You can customize your content with powerful features to boost your engagement in SEO. It's optional. You can generate humanized article. You can include images in article, expert quotes, all those things. Then you have to generate a cover page. Okay. Let's go with generate a cover image. And then we're done. So while it's running, basically it's checking for its fact checking and citing, quote extractions, competitor analysis, all these things. Word length control. That is what is happening before we get the final output. On this side, you can see how much time you've saved. Like here, we've saved about 2 hours. This is the final article. Kenyan youth movement reshapes political landscape. The generated image is there in the whole article. Well, the next one is Copy.ai. Well, this one is still, while Writesonic is still generating the rest of the article, let's go to Copy.ai. Basic rules apply. Sign in. This is your landing page. On the left side, this is my workspace, Alexandra's workspace. We have this. This is home. We're using the general one, the default one, because it's for, we're teaching each other. And then this is how home looks like. Here you'll see the history of what you've been trying to do. And then when you click on workflows, you'll see the history again. In the charts, you'll see the history again. And then there's configuration here. So we go back home and create new. You click on create new. Yeah, so there's a prompt box here where you can add a trigger. You start by building workflows from scratch, or describe your workflow in the chart below, right here. They've given you suggestions. So under Copy.ai, when you come here, there's this create tab. You click on create new. You have an option of creating a new chart or creating a new workflow. If it's workflow, you can go with your LinkedIn profile or account and ask it to summarize your whole profile in 2 paragraphs or 1 paragraph. But we're going to go with the chart. So click on create new chart. And this is what we have. You can ask it to create a blog post about SEO. You can ask it to write this. You can brainstorm ideas. For example, generating Instagram captions for Fashion Week. You can write a product description there. And then you can do summaries on generative AI. Let's go with this. Let's generate Instagram captions for Fashion Week. You have an option of attaching a photo or anything. Then you have browse prompts here. This is an AI option. So I've prompted it to generate 10 Instagram captions for Fashion Week, and here it is in less than a minute. The last one is Rytr. It's an AI writing assistant that is used for short form content creation. Yeah, it's lightweight. It's lightweight. It's also budget friendly. So if you need an affordable and fast content creation tool, this is it. You can do blog ideas, you can do social media posts here as well. You can do business taglines, product descriptions. This is what it looks like. So you can select language here and the tone or the voice, then the use case. Language is English, obviously. Then let's do a casual tone. Product name is shoes. The description is write me a marketing message for my shoes business, make it understandable and casual. You have a word limit of 2,500 words. Then it has selected for us 3 variants. You can choose 1 or 2. Then creativity, optimal. There are other options here to choose from. Here we go. We chose 3 variants, so we have 3 examples to choose from. So basically, those are the three best AI content writing tools that you should try today.